Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. But if you are new, then welcome. I hope that you enjoyed it and decide to subscribe and hit that little like button. So today's video is what's in my phone. I love watching these videos and I decided to do this one simply because I'm trying to get a lot of decluttering going on in my life, especially across my devices. This phone has been full for a while now and I've been like uninstalling and reinstalling apps for like a while. So whatever is left on this phone is literally just to do this video. I love watching these videos because I think it's amazing to see what type of apps people have on their phone, because it really says a lot about personality and I think it's interesting. So if you do want to see it, then let's get on into the video. Starting off with my wallpaper is basically a picture that I took for myself. So this is like the first screen, the second screen, third, fourth, fifth screen, and then I think I have one this side too. Right, so we have my phone app, contacts, messages, Samsung internet, which I don't really use actually. Then I have gallery, camera, video, radio, email, calculator, this little folder, clock, calendar, the Galaxy Store, settings, Play Store, Google. This is where I have everything from Google, and I just play music. And then I have Microsoft apps. I have Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, OneDrive, Word, and Skype. I don't really use Skype. Then I have Samsung Max and Smart Manager. To be honest, I don't even know why that was on the phone, because yeah, that's like stuff. Korean drama. Let's get into that app first. Right, so basically Korean drama is just like a shortcut app to kind of find, like, you know, find dramas easily and then have the phone right at your reach to watch, you know. So they have a list of, to be honest, they actually don't have all of the dramas that I love. They have dramas that are currently on air, completed dramas, and then popular dramas, so you could just like favorite it, watch everything at your convenience. It's like pretty crazy. So there is Any Books. I don't know if you all have heard of that, but Any Books is an amazing app that literally has a bunch of different books at your convenience. Alright, so basically you could search for a million different books. Then you have a profile. On my bookshelf, I'm currently reading. So I'm reading right now. I'm reading this book called Bastard. But I have this book that is really great. Is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Richard Poddard by Robert Kiyosaki. Really good book. Girl Boss Sophia Amoroso. Yeah. How to be a Lily Boss. How to be a Lily Boss. Lily saying how to be a boss. Wow. Girl's Guide to Get Instagram, WhatsApp, Clean Master. That is for my antiviruses. Keep Notes, because I swear by this thing, it keeps my life very organized. Like, I have so many notes here, things that, like, you know, when you're on the go and you have something to remember and you're like, okay, you know what, I'm probably gonna forget this, just put all my notes there. I have PicMonkey. If you all don't know, I actually use PicMonkey to edit my thumbnails, and besides thumbnails, there's a lot of different pictures I actually use PicMonkey for. App Quotev, that's another reading app where people actually upload their own stories and whatnot. So TubeBuddy, which is a great partner. If you are a YouTuber and you don't have TubeBuddy, you gotta get it. It's free, of course, and you know, it kind of like helps you get that search tag on like those taglines when you're looking for YouTube. It gives you like your subscriber account, view channel, or like everything just right at your fingertips. Before I use TubeBuddy though, there's this other one that I use YouTube Studio. TubeBuddy, then I have Flow, that's my monthlies app. People like monthlies app. Then there's this other one called Infinite Korean. So yes, I am very much into the Korean culture. So I have Infinite Korean. This is basically an app that helps you learn the language. It plays it into a game, so they all of these different things, and you basically just play it and like move on to into the next category. And they kind of like say these names for you, and when you choose the right symbols, so they actually teach you Hangul as well. Hangul is basically like when you write in Korean. Next is play games. Yeah, the funniest app that I think I have on my phone is this app called Yesiluzeli. So it basically like just touch it, explore the green alien, and you touch it and yeah. So basically, I actually have that because that kind of makes me laugh. Literally, I downloaded it because it was really, really funny, and that made me laugh on my darkest days. So next app we have is actually this one called Infinite Wallpaper. And if you all don't know, Infinite is this Korean band that I really, really like, and I have an app for their wallpaper. Yeah. Then I have an ex Korean quotes wallpaper because I really, really like Hangul. That's like the writing of Korean and like their language, and they have some really, really amazing quotes. I mean, this one that says, look at this one. The long nights, loneliness, autumn and memories. Why do these always stick around? What kind of equation is this? And I have this another app with BTS lyrics. Yes, BTS is another Korean band. So I have an app for lyrics from their songs, which I don't need, of course. And it literally has like lyrics, SoundCloud, ringtones, notification sounds, like quiz, puzzles. They have that in Nightcore. I love Nightcore versions of like different types of songs and music. Adobe Reader, Adobe Acrobat Reader. I swear by this. If you are a college student, you need to have this on your phone because basically a lot of the books actually come in PDF form. So it kind of really, really helps in tricky riddles, which is really, really good. Like, my brain is horrible. I'm not very good at riddles, but they have so many options in this. Like, they have best, funny, easy, hard, what am I, animal, food. The riddles in this are really, really fun. Then I have Messenger, Facebook Messenger. I have this app called Forex Course. It's basically a little bit of information on Forex. I have Sparks Post. I swear by this app again, Adobe Spark Post. It is amazing. I use it to edit. I think I edited my last 2 or 3 thumbnails with this. Let me know if what you all thought about those thumbnails, by the way. It literally has a good layout. You could add so many different things. The only thing that I don't like about it is that you actually can't crop the thumbnail, but you could set the size, you could add animations. They have set backgrounds for you. Like, I've edited so many different things with this. It is so easy. Adobe Spark Post. I have View Recorder, which I'm currently using to record my phone screen. I have K-pop Tiles, which basically is just like Don't Tap the White Tiles, except it's a K-pop version. So they use K-pop songs for that. So that's about that. That's a really good app, by the way. It's really, really good. It's fun. If you are into Korean stuff, you should get that app. Next, so we have YouTube Studio, as I was saying. Then I have a couple of apps of Zoom. I swear by Zoom. Zoom is a really, really amazing professional platform. And that's about it. If you enjoyed watching this video, if you have a lot of let me know what's the craziest thing that you have on your phone. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. The weirdest thing that I think I have on my phone is the app with the Korean alien that's called whatever the name of the app is pretty funny and weird that I have that app, but it makes me laugh, so I like it. I really, really do like it. So yeah, bye guys. See you in my next video.